kill the camera so I can do something.
Click.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Down.
Okay.
You press, right?
Yeah.
You can delete a program for you guys.
Put that in slow-mo where when she says hi.
I didn't do it.
What if I fall?
I can't believe it's 7 miles.
I know.
I hope we don't get lost.
we got his face again.
That was last year. Hopefully it's a change.
Did you guys get lost last year?
Yes. Let's move on to the funny people now. Come on,
Okay.
gotta do something already.
Orange juice and vitamin.
Were you in Hannah?
Yeah.
Tell me if you know this dance.
And that is American Holly. No, what is it? An Irish dance? Was that it for our nature trail?
You okay?
The pro peeps.
Alright,
you can record now.
Viva Video Pro. We're going back to the start. Is that it for our trail?
No, we're doing another trail.
Oh, wow.
We went in a whole circle.
Wow.
Now point at the public bathroom. Point at the public bathroom.
The public bath.
Evil truck done.
Public bathroom.
Not yet. I'm not drinking my water yet. I'm saving it.
Me too.
Hello, I'm Michaela and the phone's upside down. Yeah, I think so.
Got your face. I got your face.
I'm back. I took it from.
Building stuff. Pointing at the people building stuff.
How do you turn it on?
This is for my dad.
Wait. We're at a construction spot. Whoa!
Hey guys, if you look closely.
I know.
It's like Atlantic City.
It smells like ocean.
Yeah. We're near the ocean.
Come on,
yeah, it
let's
does
go with the
smell
funny
salty.
people. Let's go with the funny people.
I've never.
Go here every day.
Yeah?
So boring.
I dare us to stand the whole time and no sitting.
And
Hannah.
What?
We're not gonna sit one time. If you sit, you lose.
Oh,
I wore this shirt because it says stars don't quit, so that will help me.
I just work on my shirt because I want to. I'm gonna do this thing. They're all losers and I'm gonna win.
Oh, wait, over here.
Is this even a trail?
Guys, don't go yet.
No, it's probably not.
Video? Never mind. Stop it.
I want to go on the longest trail we have.
Ayana, come back.
Ain't that pretty much this, guys?
Hey, you should turn to me in 3, 2, 1.
There's a trail right here.
There's a really pretty sea.
Run, friend. Hello.
Right over there.
Let's go up here a little bit. Okay,
Whoever sits down, it loses. So we're not sitting down the whole trail.
Oh, no, I'm not part of this.
Wait, not even for lunch?
Not even. Well, not even for me. I'm not
That's
taking it.
granola for us.
I'm not
tagging
sitting
a
for that.
granola right now.
What?
I only
Okay.
sat once to fix the camera, so that doesn't count because we weren't on the trail.
I
So,
sat down just to wait for you guys because you guys
okay,
like so
so we're starting now. The challenge starts now.
Starting now, the challenge of, what is the challenge, Maggie?
Not sitting down for the whole trail.
Yeah.
Oh, I want one.
Take some. That's so good. If you guys get hungry, you guys can eat some. Can I have some free? Don't eat them all, though.
Yeah.
Come on, Grace. Save some for lunch.
Becky, look at Delta.
Just grab, thank you.
They're my favorite. They're like
Oh, these are good.
really sweet.
No fishing off the wildlife drive. No fishing off the wildlife
This
drive.
video is going to be like 30 minutes long. Huh? What?
Stop it. Yes, stop it.
Wait. Okay.